Mini Hummingbird Gardening Guide, 7 Steps to Hummingbird Gardening by HowExpert with Essie Thorne. If you want to learn about hummingbird gardening, then get Mini Hummingbird Gardening Guide, which is a fun and easy-to-read ebook with interesting facts and thorough information. The 7 steps are easy to follow and well-organized. Everything you need to know to create a hummingbird garden is all in one book, and it even includes a mini hummingbird field guide so you don't have to go buy one separately. It was educational and entertaining at the same time, making me look forward to the new garden and excited to pick out my plants. Loaded with fabulous images of vivid flowers and iridescent hummingbirds, Hosting Hummers is a true visual treat that is relaxing and therapeutic to look through. Written with the hummingbird's best interest in mind, this little book not only tells you how to attract hummingbirds, but it also tells you how to take care of them and keep them coming back year after year. Hosting Hummers is a very versatile and useful ebook because it speaks about all styles and sizes of hummingbird gardens. So even if you have a small area to work with, you can still make good use of your space. About the expert. Essie Thorne has been gardening for hummingbirds for 35 years in the Pacific Northwest, and what started as a hobby has become her real area of expertise, mostly from years of trial and error, and from keeping good notes about what worked and what didn't. As an avid collector of all things hummingbird, Essie has been hooked on birds and blooms since childhood and has designed many hummingbird gardens over the years. In addition to this guide, Essie has been published in Rocks and Gems magazine and writes articles for several blogs. You can email Essie at essiethorne@yahoo.com and check out her website blog at essiethorne.wordpress.com. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Do your hummingbird homework. Chapter 2. Sketch your blueprint. Chapter 3. Hummingbird feeders. Chapter 4. Choosing your plants. Chapter 5. Plant your flowers. Chapter 6. Learn your species. Chapter 7. Relax and enjoy. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.